Melissa here from My Life's a Travel Movie, and I'm currently in Banff National Park doing a camper van road trip with my pup. And as you can see in the camper van, there is limited space, so I could only take a carry-on, otherwise my wardrobe would not fit anywhere. But to be able to do that and pack as light as possible, I wanted to show you guys a product that I'm bringing. It's called the Scrubba Mini. You may remember the full-size Scrubba, which is awesome, but I need a smaller one to fit in my little carry-on, to fit in my little camper van. So this new product is really super awesome. Oscar approved. It's only this big, and it can stand upright, and it has so many different uses aside from just being a washing machine, and it still has the original patented built-in scrub board, which I'll show you later how it works. But it's cool because it can also double as a dry bag for your phone, and also a laundry bag for all of your dirty laundry and undies and socks along the way that you don't want to smell while you're traveling. So come check out my little adventure and see how this cool little travel hack works, and pick one up for your next trip. Alright, so I'm going to take a quick little dip in this icy lake, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Scrubba Mini as a mini dry bag for my phone so I can take pictures while I'm in here and do some stories. Alright, so we have the wet bathing suit, and we're going to give it a little wash. So I'm going to put it back in the Scrubba. Now it's going to be my wash bag. I'm going to get some fresh water. Alright, so I've got my dirty bathing suit and filled the bag up with some river lake water. Added my biodegradable soap. Now I just need to find a hard surface to scrub it on. So I'm going to use this log here as my wash pad. I'm going to just roll it up really tight. Clip it. Open up the spout so I can get all the air out. And some water. And then, since it's on a hard surface, you can really rub and use the wash pads on the bottom of the Scrubba. Give it a shake. Might need a rinse, but we'll do that later. And then just empty out the gross water. Well, it has been a very long and sweaty day of hiking, so I'm going to go ahead and take out my bathing suit that I washed earlier and hang it to dry, or lay it out to dry somewhere so I have it in the morning. And also for the morning, I'm going to go ahead and take all of my dirty socks from the past couple hikes and just stick them right here in the Scrubba. Let them hang out there for a little bit while I collect the rest of my dirty socks, and then I'll go ahead and show you how to wash them. Okay, so my Scrubba Mini has been doubling as a laundry bag, a dirty laundry bag, so that I don't have to smell all the gross socks that I've been hiking in. And now it's going to turn into my little washing machine. So I'm going to use the sink that's in the back of my camper van to add some water to it. Just give it a few clicks. Should be good. Fill it up to above the clothesline, and then I'm going to use some olive oil based soap so it's eco-friendly, so it won't be bad when I dump out the water, although I'm probably going to just dump it down the sink in my camper van. And smells good. Alright, and now you can just follow the instructions that are on the actual bag. So we're going to roll and clip, just a dry bag. Clip, and then you use this little knob, you twist it, and then you deflate the bag. Clip it back. Give it some shakes. And then lie it flat, and then you can use the clothes against the bottom of the scrubbers like a wash pad. Really wash everything out. So you can see how the water is already gray with disgusting grime from my feet and sweaty socks. Alright, cool. Hopefully that's enough. Open it up. Pour out the gross water. And then you can do a rinse. More water. Get the soap off. Squeeze it out. And then we'll just hang them to dry. Now I can have dry and clean socks and be extra cozy in my little tent, camper van, and have a good night. Alright, we're good here. I'm done.